Welcome back, dear children. My dear children, in the first part, we have learnt that Pingala he took the seed from the king and he planted it in a pot. He took great care of that seed, but nothing appeared. Even after transferring the seed into the another pot, nothing appeared. 3 months passed and no plants appeared. I hope you have understood. Now let us see what happens. At last, the day came when all the children had to go to the king to show the plants they had grown. They started walking to the palace, dressed in their best, holding beautiful plants in their hand. Now, my dear children, 3 months passed. Everybody, all the children, they went to the palace. Okay, all the children they went to show their plants which they had to show the plants which they had grown to the king. They started walking to the palace dressed in their best. They were putting on their best dresses. Okay, now they started walking to the palace. They were holding the beautiful plants in their hand. Only Pingala, he stood sadly. He stood sadly means he was watching them go by because he was not able to grow anything. And everybody was having beautiful plants in their hand except Pingala. Pingala's father had watched his son working hard with the seed and felt sorry for him. Then he said, "Why don't you go to the king with the empty pot?" he suggested. "At least he will know you tried your best." Then Pingala's father, because he had seen Pingala working very hard with the seed. Okay, then he told Pingala that you too go to the king because you have worked hard. Please go to the king with the empty pot. At least he will know that you tried your best. Okay, so what happened now? So Pingala too wore his best clothes and joined the others outside the palace, holding his empty pot in his hand, ignoring the laughter around him. Soon the king arrived and began his inspection. So Pingala, he too wore his best clothes and then he went to the palace, holding his empty pot in the hand. Now what happened? He was ignoring the laughter around him because all the children, they were making fun of Pingala. They were telling him, maybe they might be telling him that, "Look, you're not able to grow anything. Look, you're coming with an empty pot." So everybody was laughing at him and Pingala, he stood sadly. Now what happened? Soon the king came. He arrived and he began his inspection. What is the meaning of inspection? What is the meaning? He started checking the plants. He started checking the plants. The pots held flowers of different shades, beautiful and healthy, but the king did not look happy. When he started inspecting the plants, all the pots, they had beautiful flowers of different colors. But the king, he was not happy. Why? Now next, at the end of the line stood Pingala. And when the king reached him, he stopped in surprise. After inspecting each and every plant, he came to Pingala. And when he saw that Pingala was holding an empty pot in his hand, the king reached him and he stood in surprise. He stood in surprise that why this boy is holding an empty pot. "Child, why have you come with an empty pot? Could you not grow anything?" Then that king, he asked Pingala that why are you standing with an empty pot? Could you not grow anything? Pingala looked down and said, "Forgive me, Your Highness. I tried my best. I gave the best soil and the manure I had, but the plant would not grow." Pingala told the king to forgive him because he tried his level best. He looked after that seed, he gave the best soil and the manure he had, but the plant would not grow. Now the king's face broke into smile. Now the king, who was not very happy while he was looking at the plants of the other children, he smiled. He enveloped Pingala in his hands, in his arms, and announced, "Here is the crown prince I had given everyone." Now what happened? He enveloped Pingala. Enveloped means here he covered Pingala, he hugged Pingala, he embraced Pingala, and then he said, "Here is the crown prince." He crowned Pingala as the prince. He gave his crown to Pingala. Then what happened? Why he gave the crown to Pingala? Let us see. "I had given everyone roasted seed which would never grow, just to see which child was the most honest one and would admit he or she had not been able to grow anything. Only this boy told the truth, and I'm sure he will rule this kingdom one day with truth and honesty." Then what happened? King told that he gave everyone roasted seeds. Roasted means cooked seeds. Cooked seed will never grow into a plant, because he wanted to check that which child is the most honest one. Honest one means who will speak the truth that he has not been able to grow anything. It was only Pingala who told the truth, who was the honest one. So, king decided to crown Pingala as the prince, because he was sure that only Pingala told the truth, so he will be able to look after the kingdom very well. And indeed, that what happened. When king grew old and died, Pingala, who had learnt everything from him, came to the throne and ruled the Gandhara justly for many years. And indeed, this happened. Pingala, who after the king died, Pingala, he looked after the kingdom very well. Okay, he came to the throne and he ruled Kingala justly for many years. Justly means, throne means gaddi. Okay, he came to the power. Okay, and he looked after Gandhara very well. Justly means insaf ke saath, being honest. Okay, for many years. So my dear children, in this lesson we come to know that if we are honest, then we are rewarded. Okay, if you are honest enough, then you will always be rewarded. So honesty often brings us rewards. Okay, so my dear children, what lesson do we learn from this lesson? That honesty is the best policy. So my dear children, please read this lesson, okay, twice at home, and then I will send you these book work. Understood? I will send you these book work. Thank you.